Yo. Just got out of the shower, you know, have to braid the motherfucking hairs, you know. Told that bitch to make me a sandwich. Oh. And that bitch said no. Now I told that bitch she didn't make me a sandwich. Turn that ass up. That bitch made me so mad. Fucking turned emo. Some bitches these days. I swear. I done fucked that bitch up. She's lucky I'm a man. With $1.50. Now look at this little punk ass nigga. Trying to fucking drink in this motherfucking Pepsi. Yo. Now this motherfucker thinks he's all bad. One of these days, fuck his ass up. Like this motherfucker named Nick Martinez. That motherfucker. Big ass lips and shit. Now, it's not usual for a Mexican to have these hairs. But I'm the lucky one. I'm guessing my daddy, he had some curly hair. Now, this video is going on YouTube. If anyone disagrees, wrap it up. The rest is mine.